It's happened again. Second ride in a row. We're at it.
That'll do, right?
With broken bikes.
Get that groove out of there.
Can you fix it, Dick said?
Yeah, but I think that's got a tyre up on it, hasn't it?
Pull it out, it's stuck in it on the thing. Just yank it out.
Just ride it.
Yeah.
To think I came out of retirement for this.
Broken.
Just drag it.
Got the team on it.
Every time.
Yeah, that breather's
This is the first tanking. How long have you had this bike?
I've never had it off.
Tank's never been off this bike. In a year, is it, at least?
Yeah, that breather's fucking tyre up in somewhere.
Oh dear.
He nearly started then.
Can you give us a rundown on this tyre, Teddy?
Yeah, this is
Come on then, what we got, Ted?
Mitas.
What?
Just do it that way, yeah. What are you doing? Egg in a nest.
Here we go again.
Go and have a look at my tyre and see if it's any good.
No, mate, it's ball.
Let's do a tyre
This is
comparison.
a Mitas.
Mitch
Double
medium. In good condition.
Yeah, go look at mine.
Teddy's trying it. Hello. This is pumpkin. Right, sorry, back on tyres. Oh, it's got a Mitas 120 90 18. Extra deep treads. Is it a soft, Ted?
Yeah.
See those arrows? Goes both ways, this tyre.
Yeah, it does.
I like that.
A bit like you, innit?
Stop this vlog and fix this bike, please. I'll do the vlogs now.
I'm doing a tyre comparisons. Right, I am on the Dunlop. One ride old. Had to do some road work on a brand new tyre. I didn't like doing that, but we did it. Anyway, it's a 140 80 18 Extreme Dunlop. And it's feeling good so far. What are you doing? Hello. We're doing pumpkin. Dixon. What's Dixon running? On the shitco. Oh, he has been doing some burnouts with that. You don't get a wedge shape like that without doing some wheel spins. He's also on a... Is he on a Mitas? Yeah, he's on a Mitas as well. 140 18. What? Is that double green? Yeah, double green soft. It's Cookie running the go-to Mitch medium in good condition. Unwashed. Standard. Big stick in there. Look at that. Extra spoke. Belly. Mitch medium as well, eh? Got some quite bad wear on the Mitch medium there. I haven't seen this odd.
Kid, I can't afford new tyres.
Do you get free tyres with like a bus pass and that?
Yeah. Not bad.
Belly's back.
Look at that.
Belly, how old are you?
73.
Go on, lad. You're going to be on floor a bit today, aren't you?
73 and 3/4.
Still doing it. Will we be doing it then? I doubt it. Right, let's get back on the pigeon, see how it's going. Have we got it off, Dixon?
Yeah, we've got it off, but it's fucking...
His fuse gone. Oh yeah.
The fuse in it.
There's another fuse, isn't there?
No, that's not gone.
No, the fuse is fine.
Why do we let him come with us?
Well, I don't think he is today.
It's a long push home, innit, from here?
No, we'll just leave it.
I'll take that outside. Take that home.
Stuck here.
It's supposed to come off that,
You
isn't
can't
it?
even get that out, can you?
No, because it's all caked in so much fucking mud.
Child back here.
What's going on here?
Come on.
This is expensive.
We're
this
hoping this is
Saturday
gone.
rate as well.
It's Sunday.
Definitely electrical.
Is it?
'Cause
Sunday, kid, today.
all
that
there.
one's fucking tighter in there.
Oh, might be
I like
corroded.
the
Snips to get that out. Oh
Oh,
my gosh.
yeah.
What's the verdict on this fuse? Because if this ain't gone,
Oh no, that was fine as well.
that's corroded. It's got a lot of...
Yeah, that's fucking white.
Look at all that white on
Miss
there.
as fuck.
There's a bit of brake cleaner in that.
Yeah, which one's thinks one's just a spare? One's a spare, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Which one?
Up now.
Stop the vlog here and we'll let you know how it goes. Comment below what you think's wrong with this bike. We've got nothing. Can you get back to us straight away though, please?
Yeah. Well, have you got any
Oh, we're not live, are we?
Oh,
This will be next week. So next week, when
still
this
be
is
here.
already fixed,
I'll still be here.
comment what this problem was.
What?
Brake cleaner.
putting that in it.
Brake and clutch electrical cleaner.
Let's. Early morning cookie.
Snacks to walk home.
Cookie.
Fucking hell, how many waffles are on this? 10 to 10. I mean, he's into the street.
Cowboy time.
Stop vlogging and do something. You're the electrician.
Last week, when it was someone else's bike broke, you said, Matty, you should be vlogging this.
Whose bike broke last week?
Bobby.
Someone just told them.
Now it's your bike, you want me all hands on.
Yeah, I mean, look at that.
Took it back to police.
Please. You can get all these ODI grips and Enduro tyres with in any colour you want. Soft, medium, compounds, whatever you want. I don't know what that bit's for.
Who's?
That.
Apparently the barrel's been scored or something.
That works.
You're on YouTube next week. Don't be saying now.
It's on YouTube tonight. Nice high visi stripes.
I'm repping today.
Well, you're captain.
Captain Cook.
Take it down the road and see if it bumps.
I know what's wrong with that.
Bump it off all day. You did
That's
that
not
before.
had a bladder conversion. Don't
Tight, you mean?
they need one on them?
Yeah, absolutely.
Battery off. And now the little tab nut's gone down the drain.
I'll drink bikes.
So I've got to lift Airco up.
Ted's
Ted's absolutely regretting inviting us all around to his house
resin
to make us bacon sandwiches before we ride.
There's one in there anyway.
Yeah, new one will have new tab nuts in.
Oh, well, look how he's got battery things set.
I am pissed
Fucking
about to take
wrong
battery
oil.
off, am I? Is it mine?
Fuck all. Oh my god.
Oh, fuck me, it's a fucking 10 mil.
A different size battery terminal.
Fucking battery is this shit?
This makes it a vlog. It's not a good.
You need a 10 mil T-bar.
Teddy's just going to help Teddy get on his bike. Come on, Ted.
Come on, Ted.
You got it? Yeah, got it. Well, on the battery.
Screws.
Oh, it's cold.
Cold?
Wet and cold there.
Oh yeah, bigger one here.
Tomo! Tomo! Here! Tomo! Look what Look at the size of Teddy's spade. It's a perfect height for him. Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, leave it out. You got to take a piss out, you pal.
Oh, that's a turd, Ted. Oh!
We've had worse, haven't we?
Yeah. Where?
We need the original
you
tab
been?
nut.
We need the original tab nut, Teddy.
Was it on the workbench?
This is a disaster.
Is that not going to go that way?
It's clutching. There's a lot of resistance there. Put it in neutral, get a load of speed up, and click it up into gear. Oh! Faster!
That's something electrical.
You'll have to push it home. Come on, one more go. You've got last chance saloon here. Get loads of speed up past this car. Just wait longer, wait longer. Get loads of speed. Get it in gear. Yes! it again.
So when this is on, I've just got to make sure, look.
You've got to always turn left. Just turn left every time and it works.
Keep going round in circles.